magician. The last time he was here, he scared me. I slept and I was home and I was thinking, what did this guy take out of my back? Or do you believe in magic?
What happened? Yeah, I believe in many things.
Okay. You believe in many things?
Many things.
I like that. KG, do you believe in magic?
No, I'm not a magic thing. I believe in no thing.
Okay.
I believe in spirituality, not magic.
Okay, beautiful. So, Ohima, you were asking what happened?
A magic is a
Yes.
trick.
I was actually here with him and one other guy.
Yes.
And he had cards in his hands, and before I knew it, they disappeared and he pulled them out
Oh,
of my
wow.
back. Something. It was
Serious?
quite seriously. So today he says he's here with a new trick, and so we are ready to see you.
But a magician.
Well, so today I'm not going to do more of the cards.
Okay.
Right? I think I'll just do one for more of a customary stamp. Yes, but I'll try some things with these rubber bands, right? And you can examine them and know that they are ordinary rubber bands.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yes.
Oh, no, bro.
Very good. Right, they are just ordinary rubber bands.
Okay.
So between these three, red, gold, and green, Ghana Day. Anyways, which are you going to opt for? Let me come this way.
Like
yeah.
how?
Okay.
One finger this way. Yeah, this one. The finger. Yes, keep it this way and get your finger that way. I want you to that I can't go behind it or before it. Are you okay?
Yes. Oh, sorry. Let me help with that.
Yes.
Okay.
Between the red and the yellow one, the red and yellow, which one do you think I should go for?
Red.
Red. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Watch. You can see it's behind, right?
Yes.
Now, for me to be able to get it across, like over here, I would have to release this way.
Yes.
And you realize that it becomes quite difficult. Is that okay?
Okay.
I want you to secure your fingers properly so that I wouldn't be able to do that.
Get through.
But let's see how fast I'll be able to do that. You realize that it can't go here. Even here, it can't come. I like the way you are securing your fingers. Even here, it can't come. But watch. It actually comes through.
How?
Because it's a trick. You know, you might be telling trick. It's a trick.
No, but we should have been able to see.
No, and confuse you while he's doing it. So when you do other thing,
Did you lose your fingers? Did you lose a
no,
grip?
no, but it's a trick. It's his trick. It's fine.
Yeah. So
You're cool.
thank you
I
very
don't
much.
want, I can't see what he's doing. I don't want to explain.
Okay.
It's a good trick, but you know, it's quick with the eyes.
Right.
You're smart.
So
Right.
for the next one with the rubber band, if it could be captured, right? I want you to observe carefully.
Okay.
Now, for me, when I close my fingers this way, for me to be able to move this from here to here, see the steps, 1, 2, 3, that way, right? Now, the question is, how fast will I be able to do that? Watch. Now, you don't have to blink. 1, 2, 3, and it goes there. Did you see that? It might be difficult for you to observe. So let's keep it this way. Let's lock my fingers this way. Right now, I'm using 2 of the rubber bands. Yes, so that now the process even becomes longer. I have to unlock all of these, place it back, and lock them. Let's see how fast can it go. Watch. 1, 2, 3. It goes there.
And they are still together?
Yes. Yeah, they are still there.
How did you do it?
Well, that's the magic. That's what happens. Now, I'm sure the ladies, for you would be a little familiar with this.
Okay.
Have you ever seen this
No.
before? It's more like what they use for the makeup stuff. Okay. But this is for magic per se. I will try to do one on which of them should I
Let's
do this?
try with KG news.
Okay,
He doesn't
no.
believe in magic, so let's
So
try.
kindly open your hand this way, right? There is the first one and second one, right? First one, second one. This is what I want you to do. Between 1 and 2, which do you prefer?
1 or 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going 1.
1. Okay, I wish I could speak the
Patois.
Patois. It's very nice.
Stress.
Me, I feel select one.
Me, I go with 1.
Bombo class. That's the only Patois I know.
So you're going to say, alright, me, I will take the 1 there.
Okay, alright, me, I go take number 2.
Take the 1 there. 1.
1.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Ayeka.
Never take 1.
Okay, so if you are going to take one, before that, kindly clench your fist this way. How strong can you prevent me from opening it?
Or strong?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
Watch.
Okay, it's very tight, right?
Yeah,
okay, very tight. So I'll give you yours. Make sure you secure it so that I'm not able to take it from your hands. Exactly. Now open your hands this way. So you said 1, right? I pick this one for myself and I give yours to you. Kindly hold it very hard. Very hard.
Okay.
Tight it very hard.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Oh, I wish I could get it from your hands, but it's not going to do. Now this is what's happening. Secure it that way. Follow my lead. Do this. Do this. And you should see it becoming smaller. Confirm from me. Do you feel it becoming smaller in your palms?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it going to disappear?
Let it disappear. What's the one?
No, you feel it becoming smaller.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
And stop. Hold on. Has it vanished or is it still there?
It's still there.
Because mine is bigger. Right. Okay, no problem. Let's switch it this way. Go this way. Now, in this situation, you should feel it becoming bigger. At first, you felt it becoming smaller. Let's move on. Mine is reducing. Do you feel yours becoming bigger? Do you feel it?
Okay.
Do you feel yours becoming bigger?
Not really.
Not really, but this is the moment of truth.
Man, I get everything.
Yes, it's becoming heavier.
Man, I get everything.
Yes. That's where it happens. Let's stop. Now turn this way and watch. Mine actually vanishes from here. Open your hand and you see the surprise there.
What? Wow.
Not again.
No, it's a trick. I know magic a trick, boy. Yeah, good
Wow,
tricks.
this is serious.
You fold them together. You fold them together and you put them in a hand. The two of them.
So for the next
But
one,
I do it, I don't know, but it's really good. I received 2 of them in my hand, but I don't know.
Wow.
let's. Oh, it's unfortunate none of us has glasses. Can I borrow your glasses? Yeah, your sunglasses.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay, let me get that for you. Thank you.
Good. I hope I've not met you anywhere to discuss the glasses before, right? I've not seen you anywhere.
No.
Now watch carefully. Let's see. I'm able to move stuff, right? Okay. I always do this. Anytime I'm performing this, people think my watch helps me, right? So I always want to naked my hands in any events. Watch carefully. You might not see it. It happens this way. Can you see the glass moving?
No.
Oops. Okay. Watch. It's supposed to move. How long have you had this glass?
Are you serious?
Okay, hold on. Watch it move. Will you? Watch.
No words. I imagine you have words.
Yeah.
You don't do you have magnets in your hand?
No, nothing.
No, it's a trick. You know magic in that trick.
Okay, let's do one last one.
One last one. If I would love to try this one with you.
Okay.
Like it wasn't part of my repertoire, but when I came and you mentioned, I saw your braids. They looked so nice for me. Yeah, like so nice. Can you join me here? Like stand right by me.
My braids.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Maybe I will change the color, but don't worry. No, I wouldn't. Now stand and face this way. They are going to observe for me. Kindly close your eye. Right, and let's watch. If I'm to pick this one, you people will be able to notice my hand try to get anyone up. Is that okay? But this what happens. Let's see. I'll try to pick any of these right this way. Watch. And in a moment you see it rising. Can you see one of the? Okay, I think this time around 3 of them are rising.
Yes.
What? What's happening?
Man.
Did you see that?
Yes.
What happened?
He's like,
Can I open my eyes?
You can watch afterwards.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all.
That's it? Ohima, what happened? What did he do to me?
Charlie, I saw the thing coming like that, like some ghost that is walking back to town.
No.
Don't make me go and catch my brain. It's a trick, huh? So I shouldn't be scared.
No.
Okay.
It's a good trick.
These are good tricks to have. Right. Bernard, I'm sure you've been listening to Ohima on the waves for a very long time.
Not really, but I think before I came, I saw her and I watched a little of her.
So before then, what do you think?
She's doing pretty marvelous. And I think from the interview, I got to know of her more than I previously knew. I wasn't much of the entertainment type, addition, learning, and electrical engineer. You know how it's very
demanding,
rigorous back in here. So I think most of my friends are either in the academia.
To now listen to her. You learn a lot.
For now, I'm really listening to a lot of fine. Yes. Let's try this. I always would like to engage those who are watching at home, right?
We have a few more minutes to go, so
no problem. So these are random cards. Can you kindly shuffle for me? Shuffle it for me. That's nice.
Hey.
You are actually the first person I've seen do this. That's impressive.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
Trick guy.
You done well, actually. It's very impressive. Lots of people don't know how to do this, like a lot.
Yeah.
So I think you might be my assistant then.
Oh yeah, he's a magic man.
That's awesome. Right, what we are going to do is something simple. I think for those at home, I would like them to go on Instagram, right, to my handle. You can use your phone so that you also validate from this side. Go to Instagram. My handle is Bernard the Magician, all together. BERNARD, the Magician.
Please, those watching, go on and help us.
Yes, but yeah, before that, they should pause. Yes, that's it. So you can see it at home, right?
Okay.
I'm going to do something little. I think about 5 hours before I came here, I made a prediction of what's going to happen, right?
Okay.
This is what's going to happen. You are going to help me. Okay, let's give a quick one again. You are going to help me say stop wherever I want. You are going to select a random card, right? This will happen. Say stop when you are okay.
Stop.
Okay, so pick this. Don't let me watch. Don't let me watch. Okay.
Trick signer.
Okay, Ohima, you're also going to help me select a card. Just say stop wherever I want.
Stop.
Okay. So pick this one. Don't let me watch.
Okay.
Yes. And if this actually worked with my prediction, I think the cards you select should match up with what I predicted about 5 hours ago.
On Instagram?
Yes.
Okay.
And maybe we can show them first, then later we confirm from Instagram.
Okay.
Or either ways, they have the card now.
Okay.
Show forth your card. Okay, so the Jack of Spades and yours didn't come. Okay, I think which was yours?
Ohimes was a Jack, and then you're a Jack.
Yeah, okay. Ohimes is a Jack of Spades, and we've not seen Genius's own.
Genius.
Okay. And the Ten of Spades, and you can play the video, and you realized. Yes. So this is what happens.
You predicted it.
Yes. I actually made someone tell me stop.
Okay.
And the person stopped on the 10 and they swapped to the Jack.
Hey. Boy.
It's still magic. It's still electric.
Him know the cards, I don't know the cards. You know him card mark, him smart, he know where to stop.
Wow.
Him is a good magician, he know how to stop, he know where to do things. I don't learn card tricks, but he learn it, him good. You can't go do magic show now. You have my approval, go ahead.
Yeah, that's
right.
Nice. Anyway, so,
Wow.
Right, Bernard, put out your social media.
Yes, Bernard the Magician across all platforms. So
Yeah,
Twitter,
you have to do good for yourself.
Twitter, TikTok, Facebook,
Right.
Instagram, even on YouTube, Bernard the Magician.
Okay.
That's all across all platforms.
Don't
And-
stop, don't
yes.
stop.
There are a number of things on the way coming. I think I'd like to give a shout out to Van Vika.
Okay.
He's been very helpful.
Oh,
we
you
are
have a magician helper.
Anyways,
Yeah, you have somebody else.
and the Ghanaian comedians, I think all of them have been very, very, very supportive. Like Obian Ponsan, Lexi,
nice.
MJ, Made in Ghana,
Right.
a whole lot of them. I can't mention all of them, so I think they are watching me now. And to all those watching me from everywhere, thank you very much for the support.
Okay, so I've seen messages coming, but with yours, because of time, I'll forward them to your phone.
No problem.
Right. Ohima, we are leaving.
Yeah.
It was amazing having you. It's been insightful,
Thank
taking
you.
us through your journey and where you are now. You probably would have an advice or a word for the youth especially those who want to venture into the media space?
Okay, well, let me first of all thank you and the production team for having us, and then thanks viewers for watching us. The little word of advice I have for you is to be yourself. Regardless what the distraction is, continue to be yourself and stay focused. Staying focused doesn't mean that there won't be distractions. There would always be distractions, but you still have to keep your head up and keep going. Either than that, they will make you stop. But you don't have to stop. You understand? They should keep the love and support everything that we do. I mean, the fact that God gives us and we are able to do it well, it doesn't matter the number of things we are doing.
Right.
If only we are doing it well, then there shouldn't be any beef about it. So they should accept us and follow us and love what we do. Right. The Jungle Hunt music video is on YouTube. Subscribe and watch it. You can put it on from morning to morning and keep watching it because it's a very beautiful, organic video. It has all the African type of costuming, location and everything. I mean, and the song too is very organic. The vibe is beautiful. You can vibe with it, you understand? So they should just keep the love. And then the song is also available, the audio is available on Amazon, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, Deezer, and a lot of places. So keep watching the video and then enjoy the tune too.
Your YouTube handle and then your social media.
YouTube is, well, the official one, because of the record label that I am using now. So the video is officially on K Genius's YouTube channel. So subscribe to K Genius, capital K, capital Genius, K Genius. And subscribe to DJ Ohima Oyeje. Other vibes are there. And follow on Instagram, it's Ohima Oyeje. On Twitter, Ohima Oyeje. On Facebook, it's DJ Ohima Oyeje.
Beautiful, beautiful. K Genius.
Well,
yeah, you've got some final words to say before
well, you know, I don't consider it as a final word. I'll just give it a word of encouragement.
Please do.
Yeah, give thanks and praise for having me on and your production team, and also, I really appreciate
You're welcome.
time and effort. For me, for the youths, is you know, one thing, faith in oneself. That's the first thing. All right. Go to now. Now is the present. It's never what's the past.
Right.
Stay constructive and positive. It will help you build who you are. If anybody say anything negative about you, you don't have to accept it. And the reason why I'm saying this is, whatever has been said to you and it's negative and you accept it, you become a part of what you accept. And it will disturb your spirit and your whole day will mash up. But if somebody says something nasty and negative or something that is not encouraging to you and you don't take it, your life will not change. Nothing will happen. It means go to now, go to the present, don't go to the past. What happened is the past. Those messages is the past. Some are good and some are not good.
Right.
Hopefully the one them who are good, we bless them. The one that are bad, we still bless them.
Thank you so much. Your social media handles?
Yeah, it's you know, K Genius. I have a website, kgenius.com.
Okay.
KGENIUS and .com. K Genius.
Okay.
If you Google K Genius, KGENIUS is one word. You Google me and you find everything else. YouTube is Real K Genius, but it's K Genius also.
Okay.
REALKGENIUS, but it's also K Genius. Instagram, Real K Genius. Facebook, Real K Genius. Go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, click on the little bell,
and share.
And then share it, because there's a lot of good things are coming out and you don't want to miss it. That's all me I tell them.
Alright, thank you so much. Ohima, your new TV show, when is it coming on?
Area. It's starting right from now. I have to start it and gather the people, the contestants for my radio show. It starts from radio, so I'll pick the people from radio and then I move straight to TV.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We are waiting.
Area.
We are waiting. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having us.
It was amazing having you on the show. And we are hoping to get more and more music from Ohima Oyeje soon. Right. So people, this is where we're going to draw the curtain for today's program. It's been amazing. Thank you for your numerous messages. I'm sorry I couldn't do all of them. And if you brought in your message and I didn't read them, that doesn't mean I do not appreciate it. Thank you so much. Without you, Link Up wouldn't be here. And so I really appreciate your time and everything. A big shout out to Sammy Flex. Yes, Sammy Flex here. Showbiz Agenda, Zylofon FM. Today is his birthday. Happy birthday to you, Sammy. Aging Grace. Party, Thank you. Me like that. All right. So happy birthday to you, Basame. Enjoy grace and live long prosperity and more money. Yes, so your party also too. Bas Benedict Bebano. Because Charlie promise you, and I also make a anyway, I want to say a big shout out to Yvonne's Coverings for my beautiful costume for today. Yvonne's Coverings is located behind the Mathahiko Police Headquarters here in Accra. Behind the Mathahiko Police Headquarters, you can call her on 05